With the help of animation, we will now understand how a split AC works. If you liked this video, please subscribe to the channel. Mainly, a split AC has two parts. One is the indoor unit, and one is the outdoor unit. That is why it is called a split AC. A split AC has main components: evaporator coil, blower fan, expansion valve, compressor, and condenser unit. After that, there is refrigerant gas. This works like a medium. It helps to absorb heat. Now let us see how a split AC works. When you turn on the split AC, the hot air from the room enters the AC, and the refrigerant gas that is flowing inside the evaporator coil at that time absorbs the heat inside it. Then it carries that heat through the pipe, through the copper pipe, to the outdoor unit. Through the condenser, it releases the heat into the atmosphere, meaning into the outside air. Then the refrigerant cools down and comes back to the indoor unit again. After rejecting the heat, it comes back into the room, and this cycle keeps repeating again and again until your room becomes cool. So this is the working procedure of a split AC.